What's going on, guys? Cabot FPV here, and today what I wanted to show you is how we cut trees down around here. So basically what I'm doing is tying a small string to a drone, flying it up around the tree, flying it down, grabbing the rope, tying a bigger rope to it, pull it up, hook a D-ring to it, and then pull it back up so it ties the rope tight around the tree wherever we flew around it. This is us cutting the trees down with the drone. I know that sounded bad, but actually that wasn't that bad. That's exactly what we needed. So after we get the small rope in the tree, we tie the bigger, heavier duty rope on it, pull it up, then tie a D-ring on the end of it, and then pull it through so that it loops all the way at the top of the tree or wherever we go around the tree at. The rope's tied to my truck, then to a pulley, and then all the way up in the tree. I will say one thing, make sure that you wear safety gear, wear goggles, gloves. I didn't do any of that in this video. My bad. Everybody's gonna bitch about it, I'm sure. But hey, it is what it is. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button. And until next time, later.
If I could take you up in paradise, I suppose. If you would tell me